In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Adobe Acrobat Reader Web and Adobe Acrobat Pro Web. To get started, launch Google Chrome and open two separate tabs. Keeping both versions open side by side makes the comparison much easier because you can quickly switch back and forth and see what each one offers without losing your place. This simple setup is especially helpful if you are trying to decide which version is right for your needs. In the first tab, open Adobe Acrobat Reader Web, which is the free version. This version is designed for basic PDF tasks, and it works well if your goal is simply to handle everyday documents without needing advanced editing features. Take a moment to observe the tools available here. You can use Reader Web to view PDF files clearly in your browser, which is useful when you want quick access without downloading extra software. It also lets you sign documents, making it convenient for forms, approvals, or agreements that only need a signature. In addition, you can print basic documents directly from the web interface, which makes it a practical option for standard use. In the second tab, open Adobe Acrobat Pro Web, which requires a paid subscription. This version is built for more advanced document work, so the interface will typically offer a broader set of tools compared to the free Reader version. As you look through it, notice that Acrobat Pro Web is intended for users who need more than simple viewing or signing. It gives access to high-level modification tools that are useful when working with professional, business, or more complex PDF files. Now focus on the key difference between the two. Adobe Acrobat Pro Web unlocks structural editing features, which means you can make deeper changes to the content and layout of a PDF rather than just viewing it. It also includes security redaction tools, which are important when sensitive information needs to be permanently hidden before sharing a file. Another major feature is page organization. With Pro, you can manage pages more effectively, such as rearranging or handling document structure in a more controlled way. As you compare both tabs, the main takeaway is that Adobe Acrobat Reader Web is best for basic document tasks,